Go on then, get another stick. There's a big one there, look. Get that one. Go on, throwing it in. Get nice and aerodynamic first. Splash! Well done. There you go. See any other sticks? There might be a stick down there somewhere. Oh, you've got one? Okay. Nope, just missed. Get a bigger stick. Go on then. Yeah, I'll try this one, Sol. Try this one. That's it. Go right up. Keep going. Come on. Walk up. Hey, Daddy. There we go. Watch your start. There you go. Try now. Throw. Yay! Well done. Did you get the stick in the water? You did. Did it go splash? Sol? Did it go splash? Good boy. Say bye-bye.